Okay, I already and into my one of my courses. I'm not gonna promote anything, but we want to create an invoice in Google Docs. Okay, I already in the past few lessons of another course. Okay, again, I'm not promoting anything. This is a invoice or maybe a something else like quote paper that you can do in Google Docs, and you can design it using table. So there you go. You can see I have a logo there. I have a subtitle, and then again the build to, and then service or courses. So that was my thing that I wrote it down. So let's write it and let's creating it right now. Okay, for now let's analyze everything. Okay, I really encourage you to do everything first in paper if it was hard, and then do that table in Microsoft in Google Doc. Okay, sorry, I sometimes confuse Google Docs with Microsoft Word and Microsoft Word to Google Doc. But in here, if anytime I said on mistakenly, so take that as a Google Doc. Okay, so we have one row. Sorry, one row, and there's also one row, and there's also one row. And all of that has one column. So we're going to create it. I'm going to create a blank one. We're going to say invoice. So I did it right now. And so one row, 2, 3, and that's it. We're going to put the logo in here. Right now I'm going to insert photo from the Google. Okay, logo. Okay, for example, let's pick up this one. It seems nicer. So that is the Google brought. Yeah. I'm gonna just click down. Okay, that's better. Now in here, I'm gonna say wrap the text, break the text. I'm gonna say wrap the text. Oh, it should be in that really. So we decided really. Okay, I think this one is better. I'm gonna move it to the right. Okay, so for now it's showing up. I don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, let's try again one more time. Search the web. Yeah, so we're gonna resize it. Yeah. And then we're gonna type something, for example, Green Land Store. Yeah, Greenland Store. So that's a way better name. So there you go. I'm gonna choose make it bold, and we're gonna go and choose Monastery maybe semi bold. So we're gonna decide that. And finally, we have build to. And then finally, we have name, address, telephone, email, address. So right now we made it. We're gonna move it to the center. All of that to the center. Nope, to this one only to the center. There you go. So we made half of it right now. And this is fantastic. Okay. So let me just go to the here, page setup, and make the margins a little bit, make the paper A4, and margins to the from top 0, and from the left also 0, from the bottom also 0. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's decide also on the left and right. 0, 0. Oops, not that much. So we're gonna left 0.5 is a good choice. Yeah, this one is a good choice. So we already did it. I'm gonna choose right now a font. So let's go with this one. And also let's go with this one too. I'm gonna use Format Painter to make it easier. Okay, and you can see they have space between together, even bigger space. We're gonna go to custom space, make it 2. Yeah. Okay, so we made half of it. We're gonna make this one bigger. And right now you can see it's not to the center. So we're gonna go to format, align, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna go to center, and this was it really, picture style. So let's see where it was. I forgot it. Yeah. Text. Oops. Yeah, indentation. I'm gonna go to indentation. So it's already there. Let's see. Table. All right, we're not gonna go table again. Okay, this is not. So you can see right now, it's not to the bottom. How you can move it to the center, and that's our main issue right now. So we're gonna click in here, and we're gonna see table properties. Still, there isn't anything. Where it is. Okay, I came up with a solution. So we're gonna make like this one, and we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go to add space before paragraph. So right now we made it, and that's the thing we wanted right now. Okay, so let's hide the borders from the top and click on it and hide it and make it white, and hide as well this one, and hide this one as well. And there you go. So I made it, I hide it right now, and we just want to have these things a little bit more, which only we're gonna make them a little bit gray. So we're gonna go to table properties and choose gray and hit OK. For now, it's right. It's great right now. I can also delete it. Delete this one. I selected really this too, and it's ranking that again. So there you go. And we can make this one bold, green, sorry. Yeah, it's not height, so we're going to decide on, oops, this is too big. 3pt maybe is right. Okay, you can see right now, but you can see that this color is a little bit different. So we're going to go to this color and pick up this one. All right, it seems nicer. And right now, the thing we created is the same as this, okay? We just want to make this one bigger. Not too big. Okay. Right now, you can see they are the same thing we created. Let's create the next part, okay? The next part is, again, there is a surveys, and there's one row. Okay, first thing first, let's not worry about this first row. Let's only worry about this one. 1, 2, 3. So we need 3 column and 1 row. All right, so we're gonna need that. And then we hit tab to create it. So we're gonna create like this thing. And right now we're gonna hit tab. No, we're not gonna hit tab. I'm gonna write it no details and price. Okay, so we did it right now, and we want to create a up thing, a up row. So let's go insert row above, and we want to merge this. So you select all of that, and you go to here, and you go to table, and in here you have merge sales. Okay, we didn't talk about it yet. So we're gonna click right now. And once you click, it says services, courses maybe. We're gonna say services only. And later on, when you, right now, let's decide in Format Painter this one. And click again. And okay. So we're gonna decide that, and we're gonna move it to the center. We already did. And right now we already created the same thing as this one. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. We're gonna click on table properties and choose gray color. And then hit OK. Now this one should be a little bit bigger. This one is nicer. No, this isn't nice. Yeah. Okay, let's decide again. Yeah, it sounds nice. I'm gonna copy this one. Okay, and make this also bold. We're gonna go Format Painter. Not this much big. It's not too good. And you can see right now, we created the same thing as that. And finally, there is a total. And we're gonna merge it. Merge cells. Total. And then we are gonna just put a total layer. That's it. So this is the creation of Invoice that we did right now. Now you can just play around and make your own, and then it's great. Okay, so you can do that on your own. I just help you to make this like that. Okay, to just do like a class work and to remember and to learn more about the table. So this was the #1 classwork, and I hope to see you in another classwork. Now you can put a lot of things out here in here, like your address, your name, your signature, and all of that. You can put it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in another classwork.